this is Gail Banks with Gail Banks Creates. Welcome to my channel. I want to thank all of my new and existing subscribers. I appreciate all your love and support. Guys, I'm on today because I shared in a couple of videos back a Michael's Black Friday haul, and I had picked up some of those recollections Christmas collections, and I just showed you the cover, and I promised I would come back and open it so you can get a closer look. So that's what I'm doing today. Let's start with the retro Christmas. It's a 420 piece set. You get some, you know what, let me do like this. You get some of these little bling. It's red, green, pink, and blue. Okay, and this is the paper and everything in this kit. So I'm sure you've seen some people, because of quite a few, and it's single-sided, people have shown this on their channel, but I had made a promise and I wanted to make sure I came back and fulfilled that. So you get these two sheets, and these are like little cut aparts. Oh, I like this one. This is like little snow globe. Isn't that pretty? I think that's real pretty. Yes, I like that. The next one here is like Santa mugs and snowman mugs. And like I said, you get two of each. So here's this one. I think that's real pretty. And of course you get some stripes, like little peppermint stripe. And the paper, it's maybe about a 65 weight, I would say, for the paper. It's definitely cardstock. It's not a paper, it's cardstock. So maybe about 65 pounds. Oh, these poinsettias are pretty. Oh my goodness. Isn't that gorgeous? The pinks and the whites. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. Love that paper. And here is some paper with the ornaments. That's pretty. Oh, you got some foil. Got two sheets of foil, and like it's like a holographic foil with little rainbow squiggly lines. You got red, green, pink, yellow. That's real pretty. And you get a sheet of, are these stickers? Yep, these are stickers. That's pretty, and they're foil. Some of them are foil. That's real pretty. You get one sheet of that. And you get a sheet of these washi stickers. Are these washi stickers? Oh, hold on. Let me make sure they're washi stickers, because I could have swore that's what the back of it said. Oh no, I can't open them. So I guess I could just cut the strips. But that's pretty. I like this right here. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness, do you see that? That's a penguin on a scooter. That's so cute. And you get some alphas. You get, these are like die cuts because they're like a cardboard. Oops, sorry about the lighting. They're like a cardboard that comes out. And here are the solids. You got three solids here. So that is the retro, oops, that is the retro Christmas collection kit. Let me show you the next kit that I picked up. The next kit is called Frosted Juniper. I don't know why I can never say juniper. And here are the little blings. You got the silver. This is like a champagne color, a blue, and a green. Can you really see that? Yep, that's what that is. And let me share with you what's in here. Most of the kits are similar to what's in them, except you may get more pieces in some kits than you do the other. This is 395 pieces. Here's the first page. For scrapbookers, that would be a good page for a scrapbooker. I'm not a scrapbooker, but I could cut this part out and use it in a project. So you get two of those. Oh, are these poinsettias? Oh, whatever they are, they're real pretty. Get two of those. Oh, this is my favorite. I love the blues colors for Christmas. You know, your traditional reds and greens is great too, but these blues are so pretty. Isn't that pretty? Oh, look at the blue star, like skylight. That's pretty. You get two of those. Oh, yeah. It's only one of these in here. Isn't that some the others had too? So it's one of those. Unless it's somewhere else in this kit. I'm going to hope it is. You get 2 of these. That's pretty. Honestly, you could use this for a winter project. It doesn't even have to be Christmas. And it kind of looks like something you would use in a wedding. That's pretty. And here are your stags and bucks and deers, however you call them. You get 2 of those. That's not my favorite. Here's the foil. They're like gold foil poinsettias. You get 2 of those sheets. And here are the stickers. Now, I like the stickers better than I did the actual paper. So that's real pretty. That's the sticker sheet. Here's the washi sheet. I think that's pretty with the foil. I like this joy right here. That's real pretty. And you get some gold alpha letters, and they're stickers. And here's the chipboard. I like this. Joy, peace, and love. That's real pretty. And got some little tags. These are the die cuts. And for the papers, you got 3 solid papers. And to be honest with you, they are a little thinner than the actual papers in the kit. But that's what you get. And this is called, this is the Frosted Juniper. Oh my goodness, Gail Lynette. It's Frosted Juniper kit. Now, I'm going to give you the last one. Hold on. Okay, and this is the last collection kit from Recollections Michaels. It's 447 pieces. It's called Candy Brights. And here are the little jimmies. You get pink, blue, like a lime green, and red. Those are the jimmies. And let me share with you what's in this kit. Oh, wow. This is a pretty page. You get 2 of them, I hope. Yeah, because the last kit only had 1 of 1 paper. And I think that is really pretty. Like I said, this would be a great scrapbook layout for those who scrapbook. You got 2 of those. And we got 2 of these. Let me bring this just a little closer. They're like multicolored snowflakes. That's pretty. That's different. You got these little rainbow stripes. I think that's pretty. You got 2 of those. And you got 2 of these little candy canes and candies. Oh my God, I remember these candies. Eating these candies right here growing up at the holiday time. You got 2 of those. This is pretty. The little pink and red deer, sweater, bells, trees, candy canes, little pink gingers. I think that's nice. That's not bad. I like that. Oh, these are pretty. The little mints. Little candy mints. This is pretty. This is a colorful page. And you get 2 of those. I like that. That's real pretty. Okay, this is my favorite. I wish it was more than 1 sheet of this. It is. There's 2 sheets. Woohoo! I like this holographic blue background snowflake. Oh my goodness. This is my favorite paper cardstock. This is so pretty. And here are the stickers. I like the stickers because they're whimsical. Look at the little reindeer holding his little candy canes. And the little candy sleigh. And Santa, it says Santa Sweet Shop, the little gingerbread. And they have some foiling on them, as you can see. Here is the washi sheet. So it kind of just mimics what the washi sheet mimics the papers that are in the kit. And the alpha stickers are like candy canes. They're red and they're green. Those are pretty with little dots on them. That's cute. And the chipboard pieces, those are pretty. Up to snow good. Oh, that's funny. Shake all the gifts. I know. Shake and see what's in them. Bright holiday wishes. That's a nice die cut. And the papers are here. Red, green, and the pink. So guys, are the unboxing. I'm sorry, you know what? I'm gonna move this out the way because it's glaring. This is my unboxing of the Retro Christmas Candy Brights and Frosted Juniper collection kits from Recollections Michaels. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Hey, why don't you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to be notified of new video uploads. Leave a comment below. I will respond to my comments. Did you go to Michael's and pick up any of their new collections and everything? If you did, leave a comment below. I'd like to know what it is that you guys picked up. I want you guys to continue to be safe, continue to take care of one another, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Bye.